bengase kahle ibuhlungu since kwendele inkinga naleli manje lento eyenzeka sasemncane kakhulu and ebese ngi-affect-a ngikhula nayo lento yangi-affect-a ngagcina ngayijwayela agcine yahlala agcina ngi-understand ngavuma i-situation ukuthi funa ngi-accept-e konke lokwenzakalayo empilweni yami. Ngikhula kabuhlungu but bogogo ngabo nomkhulu bangigqugqutela ukuthi le nto ungayicabangi kakhulu everyday because it affect esikoleni ngibhuyi nami nje le nto yenzeke nami bengakalenzeli makwami ngangigcina ngethi-4 February abuye emsebentini ngangibingelela sahlala sacoca ngikhumbula lowo ngibona kumbona like angikhumbuli ukuthi ngithi memory yakhe lo-ke and impilo yami ibuhlungu ngabhudi wami nomncane angathi usimama nabo ukuthi like ubuya kusasa angambona yini emehlakhe because asathi lutho vele noma kwami and le nto lena kalayo empilweni yethu ayisikahle because siyabona ama-illegal mines bakhona kwakhipha laba khona but legal mines bantu abasebenzayo abasebenele government abakhona bakhipha masibuda ukuthi why kwenteke so abakhona ukusinika impendulo asathi usibonakalani i-government ayisincithi nje ngenxa yobuFredi Mr. Fred Arendse nguye esincedako lasikhulisayo sibhadalela ama-school fees lwasikhulisa wasinceda konke esikolweni like mangitalana ileli mine ngiyazama like ikudweba sithombe samake ngengqondo ngiyahluleka mara ngibona sithombe like uyabuya emcondweni wami akhulume nami like spiritually ngilimale kakhulu that is why angithandi vele esikhathini esiningi ukudlala because ngilimale emoyeni wami ngibese ngikhumbula make ngibese ngalimala.
Singachaza ngifini yabo because the weekend yakhona because this thing yende sasemantwana wena grade 5 una 10 years into ngikhumbula nje uliving ngikhumbula scene around 6 was usathe imantwana bayangeza nesigeza but mina sayidinga ngitshela ukuthi angitohamba but ngilolumva kwesikhathi ngiyakhala yabo just ngintwana benga-understand ukuthi like ichazana ukuthi into njani sayisigele nomntwana wami ufunda lapho singabili but around 1 sathola ikhona masiphuma wasitshela ukuthi isho complete mine kwendeke isitolo lesokulibili uhambe hawu kanjani manje like yabona utshela abantu estruggle vele ngikuzi-understand ukuthi nibani bakhuluma into badlalela masifika ejarjini i-time masitshela amadoda lana kwendeke so and around June ngisubhala ama-exam vele ngikhumbula kahle angizange ngisachubeka kubala since from June angizange ngisayeskele because ngaba nje i-trauma lebuhlungu kakhulu kanjani because already okay time bekakhona but already bengangobona yabo lasendela vele everything ngibana time but already yazi uyakhona ukusacrifice ukuthi abantu bakhe babe great manje ngalokhu ngi-10 years konjele matric ngikompletile 2024 intwana yami lelama mina complete last year matric lelinye intwana yami ikakhetheke seyilasibona already layishiye na 3 months ayimathi already wayithi ngimakhona ayimathi nokubana uka-5 so but sinebhilive ukuthi maybe hambeni kwesikhathi asathi but kusiningi asani ibhilive yethu seyilapho already ngikhumbula nje kahle it's end of it's my paid inyanga atohola wa asathathe mina nentwana yami kuzayo ngingamncane uma asinika imali akanti ubona nje thengana wafetha sikhipha sambe down like ama-games yabo ukuthi ngithi kanjalo so manje izinyanga impilo ayisafani ngingena kuna-olida ayisafani sekushintshile kanye
Try it.
ngifisile nje because ngisabuka i-job ngizobona if ngiyithole i-job ngisibani ukuze already bahlale ba-great yabo, bangashodi nga-something nabo babe-proud ukuthi i-road manager khona ukuthi sibhekele about esikoleni into into vithi kanjalo nje yabo, because hhayi ukuthi imali bayikhipha ukuthi into singathini yabona.
Are you talking about daily money?
But every month they keep money to see right, things like that,